Welcome to Think Tree Maths. Our learning nugget today is place value system. In this learning nugget, we'll break down numbers and periods and see how numbers are grouped, named and read in the place value system. Let's make big numbers simple. Digits have already been grouped into various periods. We'll figure out together how this number is read. The first period on the extreme right comprises the digits 4, 2, 6, that is 6 ones, 2 tens, and 4 hundreds. Collectively, this period is called hundreds, and the number is simple to read, it's 426. The next period to the left is collectively called thousands. Any number that is followed by 3 place values in a whole number is read as 1,000. One will read as 1,000 because it is followed by 3 place values, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. So the number on display is 1,426. The number is now 61,426. Now is 361,426. The next period is millions. These are followed by 6 place values. The number reads as 5,361,426. Now is 45,361,426. 745,361,426. Then it's billions. Billions are followed by 9 place values. So the number reads 1,745,361,426. 31,745,361,426. 231,745,361,426. Trillions. Trillions are followed by 12 place values. So we have 1,231,745,361,426. 11,231,745,361,426. 411,231,745,361,426. And we have quadrillions. Quadrillions are followed by 15 place values. So the number reads as 5,211,331,745,361,426. We have just broken down this number to be able to read it as 5,211,745,361,426. Keep growing your maths mind. Subscribe to Think Tree Maths for more learning nuggets.